In previous class we have learnt about grasslands, name of major grasslands of the world. Then we have learnt about prairies and its climate. Today we will know the vegetation of prairies. The vegetation is dominated by grass. Vegetation consists mainly of grass and a few trees. Today, vast areas of land have been cleared for agriculture. Soil is quite fertile. Mississippi and Missouri rivers flow through the prairies. So, water is available in plenty from these rivers. Plenty means a large amount, more than enough. Wheat, maize, rye, oats, and barley are the major crops which are grown here. Children, prairies are called the wheat basket of the world. Why it is called so? Because in prairies, farmers produce a large amount of wheat. They produce enough wheat for the country and also for export. Enough means as much or as many required. Sufficient, पर्याप्त. Production of wheat is so large that they export wheat to other countries. The farms are very huge, covering thousands of acres. The farmers live on the farms and call their homes homestead. Farmers are prosperous and have all modern comforts. Comfort means aram. All the work such as plowing, sowing, harvesting and threshing are done by the machines. Plowing means जुताई, खेत जोतने की क्रिया. Sowing means to plant seeds in the ground. पौधा रोपना. Harvesting means कटाई. वह कृषि कार्य है जिसमें तैयार फसल को खेत से काटकर एकत्रित किया जाता है. Now threshing means to remove the seeds of crop plants by hitting them. The separation of grain or seeds from the husk and straw. Threshing कृषि की वह प्रक्रिया है जिसमें कटी फसल की फलियों से दाने को विमुक्त किया जाता है. इस क्रिया में कटी फसल को किसी प्रकार इतना झकझोरा जाता है कि उसके पके दाने अलग हो जाएं. Food grains are stored in big storage bins called silos. Bean means a large container used for storing things. Children, this is the picture of silo. The western part of the prairies is hilly and here the soil is not so fertile. Animals are reared on large open grasslands which are called ranches. So what is ranch? Open grasslands where cattle are reared. Reared means to breed and look after animals on a farm etc. They are reared for their meat and products like milk, butter, etc. Chicago is an important center for slaughtering animals. Slaughter means to kill an animal, usually for food. Big dairy farms have been developed. They have modern machines. Even milking is done by machines. Milking means to draw milk from a cow, goat, etc. Children, now we have completed lesson 7. Thank you, children.